Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I thought I would share with you ways I style my white shorts. They are from American Eagle. They're the midi shorts. They're like a mid-rise short, but they're supposed to hit like around the middle of your thigh. That's why I think they're called midi shorts. But I didn't like them because I think they accentuated the wrong parts of my thighs. So I just cropped them and then I rolled them up twice. So it like hits me where my thigh is like the largest. For some of these outfits, you could just replace the shorts with a pair of white jeans because I'm not wearing shorts in the dead of winter. So here are some of the outfits I wear with my white shorts. So for the first few outfits, they're just going to be t-shirts and the white shorts, and I paired them with a pair of Adidas sleek sneakers. I really like the Tommy Hilfiger t-shirts because they are 100% cotton and they're pretty easy to take care of. I bought them in all the colors that were available at the time, which were navy, pink, and white, and then obviously black, the one that I was wearing earlier. Personally, I think you can get away with wearing whatever color with white shorts because it is a neutral color. With like light colors like white on white, you might want to add a belt that's a darker color just so you could break it up. Here I added a cardigan on top of that, and the cardigan has this ombre color effect. I bought it from White House Black Market. Instead of white shorts, you can also just wear jeans that are white or just a dark wash and cuff them at the bottom. It makes it more laid back. I switched over to my espadrilles for a more like neutral toned down muted look. These are from Tory Burch and the whale thinks they're grandma shoes. They are good for short walks. Next is this red ribbed halter top that I picked up from Luxembourg. I bought it from a store called Stradivarius. It was like €7. Don't worry, that bruise is from a flu shot. I think you could get the same look if you got a bodysuit. For this next outfit, I'm wearing a shelf bra from United Colors of Benetton. And to make it less risque, I put on this white button-down shirt that has a tie in the front, and also I rolled up the sleeves to make it a little bit more casual, and then I added a belt. I think navy and brown look really good together. The whale thinks that this top is like a piece of rag. The shirt is just naturally crumpled and I definitely could have steamed it. Next, I have a top with a racer back detail. It's really voluminous, so in the summer when it gets really humid, I'll just wear this outfit. But in the fall, when it gets a little bit chillier, I like wearing an open knit cardigan. And because it's open knit, I do want something sleeveless so that way you don't have this weird demarcation of where my cap sleeves are. I've had this cardigan since 9th grade and I bought it from Macy's. This is one of those outfits where you could replace the white shorts with white jeans, but instead of the voluminous top that I have, I would probably go for something sleeker so that way you could show off the belt and have it matching with the suede boots. The boots are from Sam Edelman and they have a slight fringe detail. The one thing I don't really like is how pointy they are, but I think these boots generally work with most outfits, so that's why I decided to buy them. And I put on the previous cardigan that I tried on that had the ombre effect, but I do think that this outfit would look better if I had white jeans because you kind of look like you're not wearing any pants from the back. And my last outfit is something I would wear on summer nights when it gets pretty cold. So I just throw on this hoodie from Burberry. I didn't buy this at full price, don't worry, but it was still like $275. And when it gets really cold, I put on the Uggs. These Uggs are in the style Abbery short. It's a short Abbery, but it's in the color rust. They don't really sell it anymore. They have like an updated version called the Abbery 2. It's supposed to be water resistant. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching and got some ideas. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye! Wow!
Oh, you're excellent.